In this video, I'm going to show you how to file a dispute on the Chase app. If you want a faster and cheaper way to move money, check the link in the description to try Wise at a great offer. First, open the Chase app and make sure you're logged in. On the main screen, you'll see the Accounts section, which shows all your linked accounts. Tap on the account that has the transaction you want to dispute. For this example, we'll be using a credit card account. Once you're in the account, scroll down to find your transactions. You can either tap See All Transactions or use the arrow on the right to access them. Keep in mind that pending transactions cannot be disputed, so you need to focus on cleared transactions. Scroll through until you find the transaction you want to dispute. For this example, let's say it's a $340 charge. Tap on that transaction to open the details. Scroll down in the transaction details until you see a section that says, Having a problem with this transaction. Tap on Report a Problem, and you'll see several options. Choose the one that applies, such as, I did not make this purchase, then toggle it on and tap Next to continue the dispute process. The Chase app will guide you through submitting the dispute and provide any additional steps if needed. Once completed, you'll receive confirmation that your dispute has been submitted, and the bank will review the issue. Remember, the Chase app is a powerful tool, and there are many other features you can explore to manage your transactions efficiently. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.